So when we've got an improper fraction, that's the one on the left where it's 17 over 10, we can call that one top heavy as well because the number on top is bigger than the number on the bottom, and that's our improper fraction. We can also write that as a mixed number. So the mixed number on the right, the 1 and 7/10, is the same number. We've just written it as a whole number and a fraction. So you can convert between the two. It makes no difference which one it is. They're equivalent. It's only if in an exam question it asks you to write it in a certain way. So let's have a look how we convert between the two. So to start off with, let's do improper fractions to mixed numbers. So to convert from an improper fraction to a mixed number, we look at the denominator, that bottom number. So for the first one, we've got 8/3, so our denominator is 3. And we want to say how many times does 3 go into 8? Well, 3 goes into 8 twice. So that means that we've got 2 as our whole number. And then we have 2 left over because 3 times 2 is 6. So we've got 2 left over, so that's 2/3. We then look at the next one. So question 2, we've got 32 over 10. Well, actually, that simplifies. If we watch the previous video on simplifying expressions, that one simplifies because 2 times 16 equals 32 and 2 times 5 is 10. So that's actually 16 over 5. So just spot straight away that you can make it easier for yourself if you convert it to its lowest form, its simplest form. 16 over 5, right then. So let's see how many times does 5 go into 16? Well, it goes in 3 with a remainder of 1. So we get 3 and 1/5. So to convert from improper fractions to mixed numbers, we're looking at the bottom number, seeing how many times it goes into the top number, and then writing whatever's left over as the remainder as a fraction. So 3 and 1/5 for that answer there. Okay, let's look at mixed numbers now to improper fractions. So we've got the first one, which is 2 and 1/5. We need to convert that to an improper fraction. So the way that we do this is we look at the bottom number. So we look at the 5. And what we do is we times the whole number 2 by the 5. So we're going to times, if I just put it in red actually so that it's a bit clearer, we're going to times these two numbers together. So 2 times 5. So we got 2 times 5. And then we're going to add on whatever's on top, which is that 1. And we still have it all over 5. That doesn't change. But we times the whole number by the bottom number and add that to the top line. So that's going to make 10 plus 1 over 5, which is 11 over 5. And it's as simple as that. Let's do it one more time. So look at the new one, question 4. So 3 and 4/7. We times the whole number 3 and the bottom number 7 together. So 3 times 7. Then we add on whatever's on the top, plus 4. And we keep the denominator the same, which is still 7. So 3 times 7 is 21. Plus 4, all over 7. So our improper fraction is going to be 25 over 7. And we are done.